Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add message templates on Airbnb. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and basically pre-write messages for common questions that get asked on Airbnb. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, I can do this on an Apple device, but we're going to go ahead and go into settings, then click on general, then scroll down to where it says keyboard and click on keyboard. Now we're going to use something on the iOS or Apple device called text replacement. So click on text replacement, then we're going to click the plus icon. So how this essentially works is that the phrase will be your message template. So let's say that we want this phrase to be, hey, we accept dogs. And then the shortcut, we're going to say Airbnb pets. So what'll happen is that every time you type in Airbnb pets, the phrase, hey, we accept dogs is going to appear. So let's actually go ahead and test it out. So if we go into Airbnb, then click on a listing, and let's say that we want to message this host or reply to a message, click on message host, so Airbnb pets. And then notice how the second space, as soon as we click on space, it's gonna fill that message. So that right there is basically the best way that I've been able to go ahead and basically define message templates on Airbnb. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.